First, a little bit about C40, because our name itself is quite confusing. We are a network of some of the world's leading cities, primarily megacities, but also smaller innovator cities that are working together to tackle climate change and manage climate risk. And as Rob mentioned, certainly in our view, cities are where it's at. They're very key players in a number of issues, but particularly these days in the fight to tackle climate change and really have a major role and part to play, both officially and unofficially, as we look towards a very key moment at COP21 in Paris. We do have we have 75 member cities at C40 and then a smaller working group of cities focused on district energy. About 10 cities are quite active, the city of Boston being a very key member of that. And I'd like to just share, of course, a view of what some of the key city goals are across all sectors and issues that probably relate to most of the cities we have here today. Certainly trying to reduce carbon emissions and ensure resiliency, adapting to climate risk, but also creating jobs, attracting investment, providing a really livable environment for your citizens and the ability to attract more and provide the infrastructure that's required for that population growth, but also providing reliable and affordable services. So these are some of the key goals we see across C40's membership. What's really interesting is that a number of them do look at district energy as being part of the strategy to help achieve these goals. And what I found quite interesting in our district energy workshop, which we held a month ago, is that all of the cities there cited carbon emission reductions as being the primary driver for district energy development in their city. So really, carbon emissions and how we transition from natural gas to fuels of the future, renewable sources, is really a key part of this picture. They really see in our cities the opportunity that district energy presents and recognize that district solutions often will be superior to individual building solutions to be able to deliver the emission reductions at scale that we all need, and also provide for the flexible systems that can respond more to future innovation, and finally ensure resiliency of supply, which is a particularly critical issue here in the Northeast.